Hello guys, you can send disappearing messages in Signal Messenger app, and in this video I'll be showing you the simple step to go about it. So first, click on the pen icon, the blue pen icon at the bottom section of the app. Then you want to select the recipient of your message. Then the next thing is to click on the three ellipses at the top right corner of the app. Then click on disappearing messages. Then set the seconds or minute that you, or probably hours. Just set the duration for the disappearing message or the time you want the message to self-destruct. So I'll just say I expected that the recipient should have read my message within a period of 6 hours. So I just say 6 hours, then click OK. Then I'll go ahead to type my message. So as you can see, there's a clock icon which is basically reading the time frame. So as soon as the time elapses, you just go ahead and disappears the message from the app. So basically that's how to send disappearing messages on Signal app. I hope you find this helpful. I'll see you again in the next one.